welcome to our first vlog. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi YouTube. We're going on our first road trip to Utah. My parents moved to Utah, so we're going to see them for the first time since they've been there. We're still technically in quarantine. We've been quarantined for months now, so I think we're okay to see my parents, and they haven't been going anywhere either, so we're gonna go finally visit them. I'm gonna take you along. We'll be there for a week, so I'm excited to see it and take you guys with me. Beautiful scenery on our way to Utah. We do have live music, live stream, so we're good. Only 6.5 more hours to go. I already have to pee. We've only been on the road for what, like an hour and a half? I already have to pee. Does anyone else feel like they have to pee immediately when they're in the car? Do you have to pee yet? No. Camera shy. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Officially gotten to the point of being completely over the car. How long have we been in the car?
10 hours.
We've literally been driving for 7 hours and we're done, but we're almost here. We made it only 7 hours later and we're finally here and tired. We're here!
Why are you videotaping?
We made it!
It's a miracle.
Yeah.
We went through 4 states.
How are you? You made it. How was the drive?
Terrible.
Drive.
Dad working hard as always, cleaning the windows.
All I do is work.
All he does.
Someone's got to do it.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm not late.
Okay, where are we going?
Harmon's.
What's Harmon's?
Grocery store.
Like a healthy grocery store?
Healthy grocery store.
Healthy grocery store, my kind of place, because we need healthy food in the house.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
To hydrate, you shouldn't be drinking out of plastic, but
Looking out this way, you can see the straight lines. They're looking sort of at the east side of the sign. red rock with the coconut flavor. There's 5 of them. Over here you see what's called the blender, the volcanic activity. Just jumbled all this up. You look way out, you'll see the Pine Valley Mountains.
Wait a minute. This doesn't look familiar at all.
We're lost.
I don't know where we're at. I don't think the cell phones work either here. Guess we're SOL. Let's try this stuff.
It's a normal day. The Wright family. Dad?
Come on, let's go. Oh.
We are attempting our very first homemade black bean burgers because everything at the store that was vegan and was not gluten-free, so I can't eat that, and had a lot of ingredients that I just didn't like. So we're gonna try to make homemade black bean burgers. So we'll take you along and let you know how they come out. Making a flax egg for the first time too. It's just flax meal and water. You want to be on camera? Mashing all the beans. Good thing I'm strong. I can do this. Mostly mashed, but not completely. That's probably good. Should I get a hair knit too? Thank you. I probably learned my love for cooking from you. Do you like cooking, or do you just why do you always cook every meal that you eat?
Healthier.
Healthier. Maybe that's where I got it from. Did Grandma cook every meal? Well, she liked to be healthy too, huh? We're healthy in this family. The beans are mashed. The flax egg is ready. What's next? Do we just mix it in here, like all together in this?
Yeah.
So then quinoa in, the carrots, almond flour. Want to make one? No. Flax egg. Just give me that. Is that the last? And some pepper, huh? The garlic smells good. Here's what it looks like right now. Come here. I'm making my burgers. Let's see if I'm doing this right.
Nope.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, you want to help me make these?
No.
I'm just gonna try, like, put them into 6 and then I'll add to each one so they're about the same size. They smell really good. We're just putting them in 6 separate balls and then I'm gonna smash them down into a patty. Perfect sizing. I'm a professional. I'm gonna push them down with my hand. And then kind of form them into flatter circles. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, about a 1 inch thick is good.
Okay, 1 inch thick. This is what they look like. Then we'll just pop them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, right?
We'll definitely 20.
20 minutes and then we'll check them. Final product. All right, we're doing the final taste test. It is actually really good. This one's gluten-free and oil-free and really yummy. Highly recommend. You're being recorded, so do something cute. Come on, just do a cute little kiss. Hug, kiss, act like you like each other.
Shut it.
Come on.
Now we're not going to do anything because you said something.
The virus, we can't really get that close.
We got to stay 6 feet apart. Don't want to get the Rona.
California now that you're here?
Nope.
What about me?
Miss
Don't you miss me?
You're visiting right now.
But here you are in Utah. fish in this lake?
Did you have a good trip?
Uh-huh.
You sad it's our last day?
Uh-huh.
What was your favorite part?
Shooting and going to the lake.
Hiking. I think my favorite part was the hiking. I like the hiking. The views were pretty. Kissy. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh, he's coming! He's gonna come say hi. Look, Ryan. Oh my god. Look at it.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Are you gonna pet it?
Yeah.
So did you bring me a carrot?
Hi. Oh my god. Oh. A baby. Ryan, look.
Says, well, if you didn't bring me anything, I'm probably not gonna hang out.
Oh, come on. He was only interested.
Says, you didn't bring me anything. Mama, glad you are me. You suck.
I just wanted you to hold the camera so he'd come back.
He's not coming back. You don't have
Oh, he didn't like me that much because I didn't have any treats for him. Oh, he was so pretty though. Last morning and we're leaving now.
It was a nice week, Joey.
What was your favorite part?
Shooting and hiking.
Shooting and hiking? I thought the
Hiking.
hiking was my favorite part too.
Hiking was fun. The red rocks were fun.
I like the red rocks.
We had a good time, Joe.
Are you
What's
gonna miss
tomorrow?
me?
What's
Yeah.
tomorrow?
Come back soon.
Tomorrow's Father's Day, so we at least got to spend a
Happy
week of
Father's
Father's
Day.
Day together, huh, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Love you.
Love you too. Glad you guys were able to
Love
come.
you.
Love
Glad
you.
you got to come see where we are.
Me too. Aren't you gonna miss having
I'm
me
gonna
here
miss
every
you.
day? Love you.
I'll check in with you after a
sorry,
while.
Dad.
One last thing.
See you
What's
later.
your
What is
favorite-
that thing?
Favorite
Turn
thing
that
about me
Come on,
being
Joe.
here.
off. Turn it off. Bye, Joe.
All done.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.